Good morning, student. On last turn, I do the questions 5, first part, third part and fourth part of exercise 8.4. Now today I will take fifth part, sixth part and seventh part of question 5. Let us take fifth part of question 5, exercise 8.4. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Using cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Left hand side cos A minus sin A plus 1 cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now divide numerator and denominator by sin A. So it will be cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. In the same way, cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Cos upon sin, that is cot A. This sin and sin cancel, minus 1. 1 upon sin is cosec A. Cot A, this cancel it, plus 1 minus cosec A. You see, cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A, or 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A. So in place of this 1, write cosec square A minus cot square A, and this cosec A write with cot A. It become cot A plus cosec A minus 1 cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So value of 1 is, write it this one. We use this identity. So it is cot A plus cosec A minus cosec square A minus cot square A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So it will be cot A plus cosec A minus cosec A minus cot A, cosec A plus cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now see that this is cosec A plus cot A, this is cosec A plus cot A, taking common. So it will be cosec A plus cot A is common. So it will be 1 minus cosec A minus cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So it is cosec A plus cot A and 1 minus cosec A plus cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So this value 1 minus cosec A plus cot A, cancel it. So it is cosec A plus cot A, that is right hand side. Let us take sixth part. This was the fifth part, not a fourth part, it was the fifth part. I explain again. Cos A minus sin A plus 1, cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. We divide this numerator and denominator by sin A. So it become in the form of cosec A and cot A. So it is cosec A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. Same way cos upon sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. It is cot A, it is 1, it is cosec A. It is cot A plus 1, it is cosec A. 1 take on this side, so it is minus 1 and its minus, that 1 is cosec square A minus cot square A. Now apply A square minus B square. So A minus B, A plus B. Take cosec A plus cot A common. 1 minus cosec A minus cot A, open this bracket, it become 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. And denominator is also 1 plus cot A minus cosec A, which is cancelled it. So this is your answer. Same question is the example number 15. Now see the sixth part. Sixth part is same as question first part. Let us take eighth part, sin A. Fifth question, eighth part, sin theta minus 2 sin power 3 theta upon 2 cos power 3 theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So left hand side sin theta minus 2 sin power 3 theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Taking sin theta common, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Taking cos theta common, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now this sin theta upon cos theta become tan theta. Either you change this sin square theta in the form of cos square theta, or you change this cos square theta in form of sin square theta. So let us take 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 1 minus sin square theta minus 1, tan theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1, tan theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 minus 1 is 1, minus this 2 minus 1 is 1. and this is minus 2 sin square theta, it cancel it. So, it will be tan theta. Take eighth part of it. Sin A plus cosec A whole square cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Left hand side sin A plus cosec A whole square cos A plus sec A whole square, A plus B whole square, A square A, this is sec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A, also cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A. We use A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. We need the answer in form of tan and cot. This sin square A plus cos square A written in combined form, that means in a bracket this cosec is 1 plus cot square A, 2 sin A cosec A is reciprocal of sin A. This cos square A is written here. This sec square A is 1 plus tan square A 2 cos A into 1 upon cos A. We use the identities. Cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A, sec square A is 1 plus tan square A, and cosec A is 1 upon sin A, and sec A is 1 upon cos A. We use these four identities. One is here, second is here, third is here, fourth is here. Now sin square A plus cos square A is 1 plus 1 plus cot square A. This sin A cancel, 2 1 plus tan square A, this cos A cancel, this is 2, 2 1 3 2 5 1 6 1 7, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is the right hand side. Thank you. Homework.